babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Anayah's Delicatessen for sending us some of their products. These are prepared food for sale. For now, let me introduce the Delicatessen that they sent us for today. So we have 4 cakes. Meron din tayong mga bottled some delicatessens here, as well as embutido. Let me introduce yung mga cakes na pinadala nila. This is the ube dream cake. It's a 4-layer made of ube cake, homemade ube halaya, cream, and ube crumbs. And then next is the red strawberry dream cake of 4 layers made of red velvet cake, strawberry jam, strawberry slices, cream, and strawberry crumbs. Now we also have a mocha caramel dream cake. This is a 4-layer made mocha cake, cream fudge, chocolate ganache, and powdered cocoa. Lastly guys, this is their Tsokolate de Batirol. This is made of 3-layer mocha cake, special chocolate de Batirol cream, and grated cocoa. Sabi ko sa inyo, we have some bottled delicatessen. So this is a homemade special ube halaya. And then for the native drink naman, lalong-lalo na guys, it's almost Christmas. So this is Chocolate de Batirol made of roasted cacao and peanuts. And then lastly, sabi ko sa inyo, meron tayong ulam dito. This is their cheesy, meaty embutido. So I wanna taste first. Dito tayo sa embutido. Try first with this one. For me, true to the description, it's actually meaty. Uulamin namin ito mamaya, and I'm gonna share this with my family. For the dream cakes, I wanna taste is yung kanilang ube dream cake. Yung ang gagawin ko, so this is their ube halaya jam, and then I'm gonna add more. As in super duper loaded with ube. Wow, that is really so satisfying. Move muna tayo dito sa mga Choco base. This is our Chocolate de Batirol Dream Cake. Wow! Sobrang lasang-lasa mo yung Batirol dito. To the point na para sa akin, it's a little bit bitter. So, make sure you have the right amount of bread para hindi masyadong umay dun sa lasa ng Batirol. So tamang-tama lang, right after the ube, you got a good contrast of taste dun sa Batirol nila. Ito naman yung kanilang Mocha Caramel Dream Cake. Woo! Okay, let's taste it. Ang sarap ng topping niya. Oh wow. So, the tail of the tape, I wanna taste yung kanilang red velvet. So, let's taste it. Wow. So it's a little bit sweet because of the strawberry, of course. And then the red velvet cake natin. So for me, this is a little bit overload. But nonetheless, I am super satisfied. Ang sarap. We would like to thank again Anayah's Delicatessen for sending us their goodies. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to check out their fan page. It's flashing on your screens right now. Guys, it's a wonderful experience for me. If you want to experience it as well, make sure to call them out. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Peace out.